Hello and thanks for joining us. This is Sav at AirMart, Aircraft Sales and Brokerage.
And I'm Tate with Alpha Jets by AirMart.
And we are doing a quadruple special this weekend. We are showing off 4 Beechcraft G36 Bonanzas. We'll take a look at some of the unique features with these aircraft and why it truly is the American-made Swiss Army knife of single-engine aircraft.
A lot of the airplanes that we have with us have some very common STCs that you see on Beechcraft, so we wanted to take this moment to highlight those, show you what you can do with this basic airframe and build onto it to really make it the perfect tool that you need for your mission. So come along guys, we'll show you some cool features on these 4 planes we have here in the hangar.
Behind me, we've got 301 Bravo Zulu, a 2006 G36 Bonanza. The G designation is the first year of the Garmin G1000 being installed from the factory, and that was also paired with the GFC 700 autopilot, which is a 3-axis autopilot with yaw damp. This particular airplane has an updated interior and paint, and features JL Osborne tip tanks, giving increased range and useful load.
So like Sav mentioned, these are the Osborne tip tanks. So the 2 manufacturers for tip tanks are Deschannen and Osborne. Main difference being the material they use. So these are the aluminum tip tanks. They do give you the gross weight increase, 114 gallons usable, so really extends the range on this airplane. So moving on to the next airplane in the hangar here, this is another 2006 G36. You guys might have seen this one before in a previous video. So a couple modifications on this one and some rough specs. 2006 G36, it's got about 1,400 total time on it. That's airframe and engine. No damage history. The Beechcraft guys behind me will pick up that this one does have the G&D window inserts in it. So that gives you that tinted window look, makes it a lot cooler in the back of the cabin, keeps the UV rays off of you. Really common, another popular addition we see on these G36s. So Sav's gonna tell you about what is special about this one on the front end.
Coming to the front of 610 Tango Charlie, we've got Tornado Alley Turbo Normalizing System. This is a single turbo normalizing system that increases your service ceiling to 20,000 feet and your maximum gross takeoff weight to 4,011 pounds. This makes it a true 6-place airplane and easier engine management throughout, everything full forward all the way to altitude, and then you've got a variety of power settings to choose from. So again, back to that Swiss Army knife comment, giving you the ultimate in flexibility. And all the way up front on 610 Tango Charlie, we've got the Hartzell Super Scimitar prop, one of a few propeller configurations that you can find on the G36 Bonanza. This one gives you exceptional performance and a little bit of quietness. One of my favorite features about the Beechcraft G36 Bonanza is the double clamshell doors. Great utilitarian aspect here. Easy egress for passengers, anyone with mobility issues. And if you have bulky gear or need to pull these seats out, it's a matter of a couple cotter pins and you've got the seat removed. 229 Tango Tango is a 2010 G36 Bonanza. This plane has only 950 total hours since new, a very low time example. We'll head to Tate at the wingtip to look at the tip tanks on this airplane.
So one of the modifications on Tango Tango here are the Deschannen tip tanks. So similar to the Osborne's, 20 pounds or 20 gallons each side, excuse me, so 114 usable. One of the quick ways that you can determine the manufacturer is the Deschannen have this sight gauge on the inside of them, so you can see your fuel levels from inside the cockpit. That is one of the advantages of having the composite. You can put that sight gauge in there. A lot of pilots like it. You can also put the gauges in the cockpit if you want to as well, but it gives you the gross weight increase, more useful load, more utility. Very common addition to Bonanzas and one of my personal favorites. As we round out the last airplane in the hangar here, this is 850 Kilo Sierra. So this is a 2015 G36. That is significant because in 2013, they redesigned the interior and they put a new AC system in. So completely different interior. You guys will see that in the video. And then the AC is fully digital, fully electric. You can use it on all phases of flight and really makes it a different interior and flight experience for those passengers sitting in the back of the airplane. This one does have a gross weight increase that you can't see. It's got the Deschannen 250-pound gross weight increase with the baffle kit. So still some common modifications on this one. It's also been upgraded to the NXI, similar to 301 Bravo Zulu, giving you the latest avionics there from Garmin. Similar to what Sav just showed us over there on 610 Tango Charlie, 850 Kilo Sierra has the same modular seat design. You can easily pull these back seats out, the middle row turn around. But as you can see, this has a new styling interior. They call this the Millennium Edition interior. Also, as I mentioned previously, has a change in the air conditioning. So let's step up front. I'll show you the avionics on this one and how you control the air conditioning. So up front here in 850 Kilo Sierra, we have the G1000 NXI system. The NXI did not come out until 2017. This is a 2015 model, so it has been retrofit with this from Garmin after it left the factory. Gives you faster processing speeds. We're in the hangar here, so we're not gonna get the GPS position, but anybody familiar with the legacy G1000 knows how much quicker this system is versus the legacy G1000. Down here at the bottom of the throttle quadrant, we have the control head for the fully electric AC system that I mentioned previously. Set the temperature that you want and forget about it. It's really that easy. So those are the significant changes on the 2013 and later versus something like the 2006 or the 2010 that we showed you. No changes to the airframe really or the engine. So performance are basically the same. It's just mostly inside of the airplane where Beechcraft made those changes from the factory.
As you can see, the Beechcraft G36 Bonanza is a wonderful and very capable platform with STC modifications and upgrades to cater to anyone's mission. They're a joy to fly and can integrate into your lifestyle without issue.
So if you're looking for a very capable airplane that we refer to as the Swiss Army knife of general aviation, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you more. We just touched the tip of the iceberg on the different modifications and what these airplanes are capable of, but we have a lot of experience selling them. We see a lot of them and we're very familiar with the airframe. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out our inventory at airmart.com and have a great weekend.